Today, I'm going to teach you how to log into Outlook in Chrome. If you're looking to access your emails through a browser rather than a desktop app, this is a straightforward method that gives you full access to all your Outlook features right from Chrome. Let's walk through this together. To start, open a new browser tab in Chrome and navigate to Microsoft.com. Once the page loads, look at the top part of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Here, you want to click on Microsoft 365. This is the hub for all Microsoft's productivity tools and services, and it's where we'll find our way to Outlook. From the Microsoft 365 page, you'll see several options in the menu. Click on Products, and a Products window will appear showing you everything Microsoft has to offer. You'll be presented with various categories, but what we're interested in is the Apps and Services tab. This tab displays all the individual Microsoft applications you can access. Scroll through or simply look for Outlook and click on it. This will take you directly to the Outlook product page. Now that you're on the Microsoft Outlook page, look for the Sign In button. It's usually prominently displayed, often near the top or center of the page. Click on this button and a new tab will open, bringing you to the Login screen. This is where you'll enter your credentials to access your account. First, type in your Microsoft email address in the designated field. This is the email associated with your Outlook or Microsoft account. After entering your email, click Next or continue to proceed to the password screen. Now enter your password carefully, making sure it's typed correctly. Once you've entered both your email and password, click on Sign In. After signing in, you'll be directed straight to your Outlook inbox panel. Here you can view all your emails, manage your calendar, access contacts, and use all the features Outlook provides, all within your Chrome browser. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate through your messages and organize your workflow. And that's it. You're now logged into Outlook through Chrome and ready to manage your emails efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.